Hi guys, and welcome here on my YouTube channel. In today's video we're gonna unbox the new ASOS beauty box for the month of March. This month the box is called Sleepover Essentials box, is retailed for £12 and comes in this beautiful pink feathers packaging. Very nice. Besides the gorgeous packaging, the box feels heavy. We will definitely find something interesting inside. At least I hope we will find something interesting inside. Okay, beautiful people, let's open the box and find the beauty treats. First we find a full-size product from the brand Sunday Rain. Revitalizing Bubble Bath with acai berry. Is a foaming bubble bath designed to cleanse the skin. It smells very nice, I really like it. Sunday Rain is a brand that I know well. I like their bath salts. I didn't try their shower gels until now. I am delighted with this product. Second product that we find is from the brand Neom Organic London. Super Shower Power Body Cleanser. Contains organic coffee extract to gently cleanse, along with moisturizing oat milk to restore and nourish the skin. Offers up to 24 hours hydration and long-lasting fragrance. Well guys, this body cleanser smells divine. I like it a lot. To me it smells like peppermint candies. Third product from the beauty box is from the brand OY Hair Care Leave-In Conditioner. Is a leave-in treatment for your hair that will hydrate, condition, detangling and protecting from heat. Enriched with nutrient-rich amino acids and protective vitamin E, is perfect as a pre-style prep spray. I was looking at this product, happy that I have a chance to try it, especially that the brand OY Hair Care has so many good reviews. Pleased with this product. Fourth product that we find is from the brand Peachy Skin. Peachy Skin, I'm not sure how to spell it. Peach Mani Pedi Cream is a hydrating mani pedi cream enriched with vitamin E to protect against free radicals and provitamin B to soothe and reduce redness. It has a nice peach scent and a fast absorbing formula. In the last time I have very dry, extra dry hands and I need a nourishing hand cream. I hope this one will be rich enough to nourish my dry hands. One more product and we are done. The last product that we find are a pair of scrunchies from the brand Easy Locks polka dot towel scrunchies. They look pretty nice. And here are all the products from the March ASOS Sleepover Essentials beauty box. And to be honest, I like the content a lot. I like that we find free full-size products, very useful free full-size products. I am happy with the OI Leave-In Conditioner. As I said, it was on my wish list. As an opinion, I like this beauty box a lot. Okay, beautiful people, and this was today's video. I hope you like it and enjoy it. A huge thank you for watching and see you soon. Bye!